Hello everyone, now I'm going to discuss with you about how to capture user's image with the help of a code. So here I brought up with an example, observe clearly. Capturing user's image through code automatically. So first we need to import CV2 module. CV2 module means computer vision. It will process a camera, it will process the images and videos in a real time. So in this CV2 module, how it will help? It will help that while we are processing a colorful image into gray color mode, or when we are automatically capture video, or if we release cam, or if we capture any image, for that all this module is helpful a lot. So in this CV2 will process images and videos in a real time. Import numpy as np. Numpy means numerical Python. It is an extension version of Python, extension module of Python. So it is a multi-dimensional array used to store values of same data type. So here, cap equal to CV2 module, cap equal to module.video release. In this function, what will happen? Let's say we take here a system. In this system, we will run one Python second version or third version application. In that application, we will write this code. While we are executing, with the help of this function, what will happen in this system? Here a camera will be there. Here the application, Python application is there. While we are running, one application will come here. So what will happen? Cap equal to cv2.video release. The camera will automatically release. Then what happen while true? Ret comma image equal to capture.read. So ret means here it has multiple functionalities, gray mode and color mode. Image equal to capture.read function. So what will happen in this function? Here opposite to the system, user will be there. So it will capture the image of user, and what will happen here? Module.image show video output comma image. So in this function, what will happen? What are the image we are capturing? That image will shown in this application. So that will happen in this line. After that, k equal to module.weight key of 10 and oxff. oxff indicates a color. If k is equal to 27, break statement will help. If it is not equal to 27, it will release the video by destroying all windows. So what is the logic here is, simply they are releasing the camera with the help of this module CV2. They are keeping one condition in while. In this, what they are doing, with the help of this, they are reading the image. With the help of this condition, they are showing the output in this application, and if k is equal to 27, then break will help. If it is not, the image will be released here by destroying all windows function. So this is the function. So without mentioning this function, this won't work. So with the help of this module, they are breaking all windows function and they are executing in this application. So this is the output. Here is the logic. If you have any doubts, please mention your doubt in commentary session. I will bring up with more examples, interesting examples in upcoming videos. Thank you. I'm signing.